Cybersecurity is the practice of keeping computers, laptops, smartphones, TVs, servers, networks, Wi-Fi, AirFryers, accounts, emails, systems, and people safe online. It uses things like passwords, firewalls, 2FA, MFA, VPNs, IDS, IPS, IBS, FFS, SOC, SIM, and many other security tools to protect you from the hackers. Hackers are the bad guys who try to get access to accounts, systems, or networks so they can steal identities, data, money, and secrets. They do this by performing mean attacks, which include phishing, smishing, malware, ransomware, spyware, DDoS, viruses, man in the middle, fake man on the street, AI, and more. But the most popular attack is phishing because it's easy and people always want to click the link. You have different security teams that are trying to prevent these attacks through monitoring, hardening, and hunting, and sometimes that includes cybersecurity awareness training. This training is to help you not click the links because you can't win if you didn't enter. Other training stuff you should do are have a strong password, use the 2FA, use a VPN, do your updates, don't overshare online, and back up everything. Cybersecurity is for everyone. We all play a role in keeping the online stuff safe. Like and subscribe. Thank you.